Okay, from one Tesla owner to another, today we're going to be adding a Tesla key, okay? This is really a simplified process. I tend to, have multiple keys because these keys are really small. You can really lose them, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the original key. You have to have your original key, okay, in order for you to gain access. So this is an older key. We're going to place it like so in this area, okay? And then now you get these keys through the Tesla shop. They'll come to your home, and then now you're going to add this key, okay? So now next step is we're going to go to the controls. From the controls, you're going to go to locks, okay? From locks, we're going to add key, okay? From adding the key now, what you're going to do is you have to add the new key here, okay? So you're going to take the old key out, and now we're going to actually pair this here. And as you see, it's going to tell you now tap existing key card to approve pairing, which is the original older key card that I had, okay? So you definitely need that older key in order for you to finalize this process. So now I'm gonna take the older key, I'm gonna tap it here. I wanted to go one step further, okay? As you can see, I have these backup. So this is backup key 2. You're gonna see it actually, key 1, it highlights, okay? That's how you know it works. This is just an extra test, right? Now I'm doing the second key, which is backup key 2, and then I have my original. As you can see, I've paired it. Now we're gonna come over here, we're gonna rename it, okay? And I'm gonna say backup key. And I tend to have about 2 of them. So I normally label it as backup key 1, backup key 2. And that's it. So now this key is fully functional, okay? I mean, this key is fully functional. This is the new key. And now it's good to go.